Good day, everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to calculate the mean and the variance of a discrete random variable. And this time we will be utilizing the different formulas of the mean, of the variance, and the standard deviation. So let us begin by answering this problem. Let us read. Mr. Umali, a mathematics teacher, regularly gives a formative assessment composed of 5 multiple-choice items. After the assessment, he used to check the probability distribution of the correct responses, and the data is presented on the right side. So here you can say on the table that the values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kaya na may 5 ka items nga gihatag. So, the probability of getting a score of 0 is 0.03. The probability of getting 1 is 0.05. The probability of getting 2 na score is 0.12 and so on. And the probability nga ma-perfect ang mga students is 0.22. Now, let us solve what is the mean for this. To solve for the mean, we are going to use the formula for the expected value or the mean, and that is the summation of x times p of x. Alright, so we follow the following steps. First is atong i-multiply ang x to p of x. So kani atong i-multiply like 0 times 0.03, 1 times 0.05, and so on. So mao na x times p of x. Second, after nato gi-multiply, is atong i-add ang resulta, ang tanang results. So, that is why na nakabutang nga summation. And in order to do that, sa table, magbutang tag additional columns and rows. Tarang! So, kani. So, we have x times p of x. And solving these, let's start solving. What is 0 times 0. What is 0 times 0.03? So, obviously, that's 0. 1 times 0 at alam times. So, kana 1 times 0.05 is 0.05. 2 times 0.12 is 0.24. 3 times 0.30 is 0.90 or 0.9. 4 times 0.28 is 1.12. 5 times 0.22 is 1.1. And then adding this, adding these values, we yield to 3.14 or 41. Let me check. I think that is 3.41. So this is our answer. This is what you call the expected mean. So, pwede na tong, so at mu of x is equal to 3.41. So it's just so easy. The next thing na atong i-solve or i-calculate is the variance and the standard deviation. So sa kaninga punto, mogamit tag formula sa variance. If you've remembered, the formula for variance is summation of quantity x minus mu squared times p of x, where your mu is the mean or the expected value. And I think nakahinumdum pa tanong nga pag-solve nato sa mu kay ato maning gi-add ganiha ang value sa x times p of x and pila gani ito'y value. That was 3.41. That's our mu of x. So we are going to use this later on. So here sa formula natay x minus mu at anang butangan og additional columns sa atong table ang x minus mu, and then it says here nga ang x minus mu nimo kay atong squared, so mabutang sa another column for x minus mu squared, and then lastly is whatever the result of the x minus mu squared kay ato nang i-multiply sa atong corresponding nga p of x. So, kaning p, asan tong p of x na to? Dara di ay p of x. So, mo na'y pinaka-last nga column nga imong ibutang. So, mag-start ta karon sa first row ato ning answer. Let's go. Now, starting here sa kaning column, x minus x minus mu, where your mu is equal to 3.41, mag-start sa first nga x, which is 0. Mani first na tong x, and then it says that x minus mu, so that is 0 minus, maglahi lang ko color, kani, that is 0 minus mu, which is 3.41. And obviously, 0 minus 3.41 will yield to negative 3.41. After that, we are going to square this para maansera nato ang second nga kaning for second column. So, negative 3.41 squared is equal to, ito na isuwat, that is negative 3.41 squared, and the result for that is 11.6281. Let us erase this. And after this result, kay ato ni siyang i-multiply para maanseran ang third column, ang result ng 11.6281 atong i-multiply sa p of x niya. Ang p of x niya is kani 0.03. So that would be 11.6281 multiplied by 0.03, and the answer for that is 0.3488. So that is the last answer for the first row. Next, ana is mo follow gahapon tag the same process para maanseran ang uban pa kaning x equals 1. So, sa kare, we have x minus mu, so that is 1 minus 3.14 equals negative 2.41. And negative 2.41 squared is 5.8081. And 5.8081 multiplied by kaning probability niya nga 0.05, that is equal to 0.2904. For the second one, x equals 2, that is 2 minus mu nga 3.41. 2 minus 3.41 is equal to negative 1.41. Negative 1.41 squared is 1.9881, and na 1.9881 times 0.12 is 0.2386. For number 3, for the x equals 3, that's 3 minus 3.41 is negative 0.41. Then squared is 0.1681 times 0.30 is equal to 0.0504. Then 4, x equals 4, we have 4 minus 3.41 is equal to 0.59. Then square 0.3481. Then i-multiply ang 0.28, that is equal to 0.0975. For 5, 5 minus 3.41 is 1.59. And square, that's 2.5281. Then i-multiply sa 0.22, that is equal to 0.5526. So you have there the value of the last column. And then from the formula, it says here nga kani nga value is atong i-add. So adding that, I believe you will get a value of, I believe that will result to 1.5819. So that is the sum for this entire thing. And this is the value of your variance of x, or in other notation, that's sigma of x squared. So that is how you solve for the variance. Now, check maning variance nato. What is the standard deviation? Well, we know that the standard deviation is actually solved by getting the square root of your variance. So, kung atong isolve ang square root sa 1.5819, that is equal to, that will equal to, ani nato ibutang ang iyang standard deviation. Standard deviation nga denoted by sigma of x, and that is equal to 1.26. Okay, so it's just the square root of 1.5819, which is equal to 1.26. So that is how you solve the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation, guys, and I hope that you learned something. Thank you very much for watching.